This is such a beautiful place. I mean, look at the scenic beauty outside. Come, see. It is so beautiful. And the place is so well decorated and it's fully equipped with all the modern amenities. I mean, you'll get the feeling of living in a hut somewhere in the middle of a jungle, but it's still filled with modern amenities. I mean, look at the Portuguese art over here. Look at these bamboo lamps. Look at this well made up bed. And the final surprise, the showstopper. Come, let's check it out. Dun, 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 is the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful washroom. Just look at it. Look at the dresser. Beautiful, marvelous. And the bathtub. Well, who needs a spa when you have a bathtub like this? Separate shower cabin, separate toilet cubicle, and cherry on the cake. Come. Oh, it's locked. Let me unlock it. Just look at it. Outdoor shower. Shower with the nature. Trees, birds everywhere. It is so beautiful. Let me lock it. So we have full privacy. And come, let me show you. Beautiful wardrobe with a safe to keep your valuables. Immense amount of space with drawers, cabinets. And the best part is that you don't get all those white, very 5-star kind of slippers to wear in the room. You get very green, eco-friendly slippers. And may I introduce you to the beautiful art? While you're taking a shower, while you're doing your morning business. I mean, look at some beauty while you do it, right? Come, let's check out the living room. Yes, you heard it right. We have a living room also. It's like a mini apartment where I can stay throughout my life, throughout the year. Come, let's check it. Look at this beautiful TV. And when you're not in the mood, it's a bit stuck. Yeah, I guess you can, close it. Again, space. Who's got storage problems? Immense amount of space. Especially good for people when they come with kids and all. And a view to die for in the morning, in the night, in the evening, any time of the day. Look at the bougainvilleas, look at the lake. And this sofa has my heart. Relaxing. When you come from a spa or come from a yoga or a pranayam session or just for dinner and all, it just feels like you're walking into your own apartment. Keep your bag down here like I've done. Have a bottle of chilled water, lie down, and maybe take a midnight stroll dun, 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 into your own private balcony which overlooks the beautiful lake. And yes, there's boating also over here. To show them, yeah. So you can just go boating also anytime. Look at it and look at those beautiful mud thatched huts. And this is the whole beauty of the Vedic Village. You can sit in the lawn also. Beautiful. Beautiful. And all of this in the heart, very heart of our hustling, bustling Calcutta. Let me show you something else also. It's like when you go somewhere and you terribly miss your own kitchen. Like your own kitchen, how you're cooking and everything. You get your own kitchenette over here. You can get your own stuff. See, and space. I wish I had these wardrobes in my own kitchen, these cabinets. Look at the beautiful spacing over here. And your coffee and tea amenities, which you very well need in the morning, right after you wake up. And fully equipped with a mini fridge to keep all your, evening. I hope you understand. Why eat on the bed? Why eat on the sofa? You can very well dine here like you dine in your own house with this beautiful, beautiful orchid laden dining table. Look at the chairs, look at the craftsmanship. And please, I want to show you something else also. One intricate detail which I really loved about this place. Look at the ornate fans. I mean, feels like you've come into some vintage, retro, some Englishman's bungalow over here. It's so beautiful, and let me take you outside also. Open the door wide. Why just keep yourself confined to the sofas in the dining room? Sit over here. I mean, look at this place. Lawn, chair. Look at these beautiful pots. Ah, I love terracotta. Terracotta is everything. Look at this beautifully adorned wall. Feels like you're perfectly in the middle of a jungle in nowhere, and you're soaking in all the nature after all the pollution that's gone through your body. I am loving it. And if you also want to experience the charm and the beauty and the serenity and the happiness that I am going through right now, please share, subscribe, and comment down for the link below and other valid details also. Okay? Now let me go and enjoy other stuff also. Okay? Bye.